available to run for the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria under the umbrella of the People's Democratic Party. My brother, let us not deceive ourselves. This election is being run by Bayelsa and Rivers State. You don't need, whether you like me or not, whether you like me or not, there is no way I can be president of Nigeria and anybody will tell me that it is not Bayelsa State that is the president of Nigeria. This election I'm running on behalf of Bayelsa State and Rivers State. We have come today to say, look, my brother, so many people think Rivers and Bayelsa will have problems. I have told him severally, and even as we came, by the grace of God, we sitting as governors, that problem will be a thing of the past. Because people capitalize on this. There are, look, bro, even if, assuming this thing belongs to me, I can say, my junior brother, take. I can say, my senior brother, take it. That is the way we are supposed to work. If I fail, Bayelsa failed. If I win, Bayelsa won. And it is very, very important for people to know that. It is very, very key. This election has nothing to do with and the best economists. No. No. This election has to do with leadership. The leadership of this country has totally failed. And this country cannot move forward if you don't have a courageous leader, if you don't have a fearless leader. You must have a leader who will tell you, this is black and this is white. You don't need to have a leader, you don't know who is in charge of the country, whether it is nephew, whether it is a PA, whether it is an uncle. No. You must have a commander-in-chief who is a commander-in-chief. And I can tell you, I will be that commander-in-chief. You must have a leader who will organize and have a team that can work. Your business is to supervise. Your business is to coordinate. I'm not a doctor. So I must have a doctor who must be in charge of the Ministry of Health. I'm not an engineer. But what is important? Do you have a leader who can coordinate, supervise, and make sure the work is being done? Look at the country we're in today. Before we say Boko Haram in Borno, Adamawa, Yobe, today, all over the country, it is most unfortunate when I hear people declaring for APC, saying that they want to continue the good job of Mr. President, the good job of people dying every day, the good job of Naira falling every day. I feel so ashamed that we have gotten to the level where sacrificing, people will come and say, look, I want to continue the good job of Buhari. What is the good job of Buhari? Of hunger is a good job. Of poverty is a good job. Of insecurity is a good job. Of the economy falling is a good job. It's such a shameful thing. I can't believe that somebody will come out in today's Nigeria and say, I want to continue where Mr. Buhari has stopped. May God forgive. May God never allow that people to continue to. I mean, tell me. I tell people and I challenge any one of them. My brother Timin Prince Silva is the Minister of Petroleum. With all due respect, I tell people, if I'm a president and Senator, the governor of Bayelsa, cannot attract a federal project here, to hell with him. He cannot say that he's loyal to president. President, what kind of loyalty is that? When he cannot attract something to your state? The closeness will tell you, look, I am a PDP governor, and we have a PDP president, and it's our son from Rivers State, from Bayelsa State. What you should ask him, what did he bring to the state to show that the governor is from our state? And I challenge him here, if I'm president, the only thing he can say, look, because I'm president, see what has come to Bayelsa. You shouldn't tell people that I'm close to president. Close for what? You're just close to president by mouth without anything. It's a serious matter. So let nobody tell you this election required who can stand for PDP and win this election. It does not matter how.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.